What's up, guys? So today I'm doing a little unboxing. I got the C-3Po Star Wars Pop figure. This is the first one of these I've ever gotten to do a review on, so let me know if you want me to do more reviews on these. This is one in a set of 5. It's got a red backdrop, you know what I mean? It's number 276. That's what the box looks like. Apparently people really love these things. If you like these, can you please let me know in the comments section what all the hype is about? I'm trying to figure it out. That's why I got one. Alright, there we go. So, alright, once I'm done breaking it, I can show you guys. Alright, there we go. So, as you can see, he's wearing a little Santa Claus hat. He's holding his beard. It says Star Wars on it. It's just a little bobblehead, I guess. You guys are into bobbleheads. This thing is pretty cool though, not gonna lie. Trying to give you guys a little 360 view here. But yeah, it's pretty creepy actually. Let me know what you guys think about these things. It was like I think it was like $9 or $10 on Amazon. But I don't know. I know people just like to collect things, so. It's kind of weird. On the top, it's a little bit dirty. Like, I just got it out the box, but it's got some little markings on it, but I'm not really worried about it. But yeah, if you guys could do me a favor and like this video, definitely subscribe and check out the rest of my channel. I got a ton of other videos. So yeah, check me out and have a good one. Peace.